Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is sinister. It is pronounced sin-ist-er and spelt S-I-N-I-S-T-E-R. Think sin, then the word is, or is in this case, and then T-E-R. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we are here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Sinister means something that is evil or harmful in nature. It's a way to describe something that is ominous or gives off a sense of foreboding. It can also describe someone who is harmful, dangerous, or malevolent. For example, you could say, the old mansion had a sinister atmosphere with its dark corridors and creaky floorboards. Or, the villain's sinister smile sent shivers down the hero's spine. The word sinister has an interesting history. It comes from the Latin word sinister, which originally meant left or left-handed. In ancient times, left-handedness was often associated with something unusual or unlucky. Over time, the meaning evolved to convey a sense of evil or foreboding, and now it has nothing to do with the left side at all. Can you think of any sinister villains? In The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe, the White Witch is portrayed as sinister and evil. She creates an eternal winter and even turns the animals to stone when they disobey her. Synonyms for sinister include menacing, ominous, malevolent, and nefarious. Antonyms for sinister are benign, harmless, friendly, and innocuous. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, sinister. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus exam Daily Vocab Show.